Well, folks, the Dodgers were off today. The Cleveland Cavaliers and the Dallas Mavericks win their respective games tonight on the road, as the Cavs and Dallas even their series at 1-1, respectively. I'm very happy that the Cavs beat the Boston Celtics in a blowout fashion tonight. You know why? Because Boston sucks. Boston sucks. I'm happy that Dallas won tonight as well. Angels and Giants lose today, so that's a bonus. And Frank Vogel has been dismissed as the head coach of the Phoenix Suns after one season. And I wasn't surprised. 1 week after Darvin Ham gets fired, Frank Vogel gets the boot as well. So, well, it looks like that the Suns and the Lakers have an opening, but that's business. But I'm pretty sure that the Phoenix Suns thank Frank Vogel for his services and time, and wish Vogel and Darvin nothing but the best in their future. So, well, all right. I hope you all have a good night. I'll catch you all later. Peace out.